heavy Tide Pods.
Water content based on the leading.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, El Dorado, Nevada, and Plaza. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern El Dorado County in Northern California, central Plaza County in Central California, central Nevada County in Northern California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:57 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Georgetown, 11 miles north of Placerville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Placerville, Baxter, Blue Canyon, Colfax, Coloma, Rescue, Elevator Gap, Greenwood, Pilot Hill, Sugar Pine, Iowa Hill, Cool, Garden Valley, Lotus, Appleby, Chiquita Lake, White Cloud Campground, Forestville, Weimar, and Georgetown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A brief tornado is possible with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California.